Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by narrowing the problem. Identify whether you have a membrane, mechanical, or integrated laptop keyboard, because fixes differ. Once done, test key combinations to measure rollover. Press several keys and record failures. Then make sure to swap ports or cables and try a different machine to rule out host issues. Update or reinstall the keyboard driver and check BIOS/UEFI keyboard options. These first actions separate software from hardware faults, and they set up the next, deeper steps. Next, you tackle software and firmware. Enable Encro in BIOS or the keyboard's firmware if available, because many ghosting issues stem from limited rollover modes. Then run a key matrix tester and use remapping utilities to isolate whether specific scan codes collide. If collisions persist, remap seldom used keys temporarily. Once tested, flash official firmware or perform a full factory reset with the vendor tool. This can reinitialize the scan matrix. After these steps, reevaluate behavior before moving to hardware work. Finally, address hardware. Open the keyboard and inspect the PCB for damaged traces or missing diodes. Clean contacts with isopropyl alcohol and replace any defective diodes that interrupt key matrix isolation. If you find cracked solder joints, reflow or resolder them carefully. In severe cases, replace the controller board. Once repaired, reassemble and test with Encro enabled and the key matrix tester. If things still fail, a quick troubleshooting tip. Swap in a known good controller or cable to isolate whether the matrix or controller is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.